Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. This dish is our rainbow chestnut stew.
As you well know, we are advocates of eating the rainbow, and this is the best dish for that.
It's filled with colour, filled with plant goodness, and it's part of our Veganuary meal plan where we've given away 4 weeks of recipes completely free. You can find a link to that in the description.
Be sure to subscribe to the channel because we've got lots of content coming your way very, very soon.
And let us know what you think of this recipe in the comments, if you cook it, if you like it, and hit that like button so more people can find our plant-based goodness. This really is eating the rainbow in a soup. Pearl barley's gonna give it that bite, and this is a complete protein in this soup.
My fave and Popeye's fave, spinach.
Gonna make you strong, and finished off with vegetable stock and a pinch of chili flakes.
Yummers!
Yummers, as Ian likes to say. Okay, let's see how it tastes.
Let's do this. Well, the thing I like about this stew is that there isn't one set taste, there's loads of tastes. I had two in that one mouthful because it's got loads of different veggies in.
Gorgeous dish. That is our chestnut rainbow stew.
Bish,
Bash, BOSH!